Preach the word, I'm the beast of burden. Least to learn, I got a bridge, I got a burn. Heavy I attack, here's the bag unpacked. Lay it out, brass tacks, call it guilt relaxed. I'm caught pushing and wishing that my decision to erase a guilt trip and fishing for a clear-headed me. You try dishing and pissing into the wind, I find it always comes back super strong, splattering. Yo, I caught this plague, it was born inside of me. Call it buyer's remorse with all these fees. Guilt is the Christian fancy, keeps me locked up inside of my head, Lord please. And I push and pull each way, and I fight and fight my plight each day. And I write the trite, get it out of the way, and make room for the night, the party's on its way.
Watch the flame dance, yo, feathered by gas, girl, you know the beat's hot, so shake that ass, get on the beat running, yo, the weeds got me buzzing, barreling down the 5, doing about 100, get the fuck out my way, cause I won't stop for nothing, and the plan's paranoia got me thinking that I'm hunted, but I am the hunter lurking, kill the headlights, big black clouds dumping, I think it means something, mad, headed for the top of the hill, with that big back cutlass ready to kill, any man who plans to stand at the top for now, meet my blade, yo, he gets paid to chop you down, leaving little pieces of you in the lost and found, big man on campus, now ruler of town. Nationwide you'll find, yo, I'm known to cast spells, spread bad fortune, drag brothers to hell.
Got me straight tripping, soul's fragile position, folds in which I'm slipping and dipping. And when I flip in mindset and ready, set, go out of control, a spiral deep into the fucking black hole. But I'm a soldier, I see ya, wouldn't wanna be ya. Please believe my mind is strong like a tree, and I'm on when I meet, and I'm drawn when I dream. I rap strong in the stream, you can't mess with me. Mindset spinning out of control. I got that guilt up on my shoulders, shaking the floor. And if it only took 20 seconds or more, then I'd be rid of it. Then I'd be rid of it.
Yo, I'll be Paul Revere, spread the message far and near till people hip-hop is back. And yo, let's get things clear, this is the first you'll hear, cause your whack-ass shit won't pass. You son of a gun, I'm taking aim and there's no one to blame but yourself. Best break if you want to escape with the help, or I'll take your fucking cake and eat it too. You can sit and cry in the corner with your moody blues. You ain't cut out the same cloth, you ain't ready to handle such a devastating loss. No you ain't, you're looking faint like you powder white paint all across your face. Your game's over, what a pretty supernova. I'll wrap this passage up in a nice little coda. Relax with grass and a nice whiskey soda, Sour Patch Kids and a cherry fruit roller.